Hula is to know what is the music is all about. We can give you some source and some idea of what you are dancing. And this time, and we're talking about the island of Maui Island. And we have 8 islands in Hawaii. And this island is Maui, one of my favorite island, which is, I have many friends there living there. And this island is really beautiful ocean. The one I can give you the idea is not only Kīhei, the Haʻina is really very beautiful too, and you can see many turtles and things like that. And in this Kīhei is talking about how famous it is and how beautiful and loving hospitality and the comfort of Kīhei they have. And in this music, this is my first time to do this music, Kīhei, and I'm going to do the first and second so that you can know what is inside the mele. The mele is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mele verses, and these verses is talking about many things that they do in Kīhei. And I'm going to show the first steps, which is the kahia is Kaulana. Kaulana means famous. Famous. So your name is famous, the beauty of Kīhei, the loving and beautiful hospitality in the comfort of Kīhei. And in this verse, I will show you the leg movements first, and then I will show you the hand movements. And this is how it starts. The first of the bump, we have to say tap. We have to put the legs tap here, and then we will ilalo, kaholo, ilalo, kaholo. And this is the bump. And 1, 2, 1, 2. The bump is 45, and down, 2, down, 2. And the place where you will say the kahia is in the second bump. And 1, 2, kaulana. Once more. 1, 2, kaulana. And once more. 1, 2, kaulana. Kaulana is famous. So the leg movements is kaholo, kaulana, inoa. So that's the second word. And then the next step will be the beauty. We're talking about the beauty of Kīhei. The leg movements is 1, 2, 1, 2. This is what we call kalakaua. And 1, 2, 1, 2. Once more. And 1, 2, 1, 2. The right foot in the left side, step first, left foot, right, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the first, 1 and 2, kalakaua, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So from the bump, down, 2, down, kaholo, 1, 2, kaholo, ilalo iluna, kalakaua, kalakaua, 2. And then in the next one, we're going to say kanani, the loving and beautiful hospitality. So I was thinking to kaholo fully. Kaholo fully is half turn. 1, 2, 3, tap. This is the half turn. So once more. 1, 2, 3, tap. And another left foot kaholo half turn. 1, 2, 3, tap. Once more again. Right foot, half turn, going to the back. 1, 2, 3, tap. Right foot, facing in, going to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once more from the beginning. Bump, step down, 2, step down, ilalo kahulu, 1 and 2, kalakawa, 1 and 2, kaholo fuli, 1, 2, 3, kaholo fuli, 2, 3. And then after this, we will 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is kaholo, 45 degree. From 45, it means your body facing to the left side, and then 45, and then turn facing to the right side. 1, 2, 3. And the next bump will be 1, 2, 1, 2. Once more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bump. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, once more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Front side, side, and front, side. This is the bump. Once more. From the beginning. Bump, step down, 2, step down, 2, Kaulana. Don't forget the Kīhei is in the second. And 1, 2, Kaulana, and kaholo down, 1, and 2, kalakawa, 1, and 2, kaholo fuli, 1, 2, 3, kaholo fuli, and then 45 degree, step down, bump, 2, Kaulana. Once more, down, and down, kalakawa, 2, kaholo fuli, and 1, 45 degree, and then bump. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now let's try again to remember the hand movements. They say Kaulana from here. It says famous. What is the famous? Is the name is Kīhei. 1, famous Kīhei. Okay? So when you put it together, kaholo, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay? Once more. Kaholo down, 2, kaholo down, and 2. Once more. 1, 2 from the mouth, and 2. Okay? From the bump. 1, and 1, 2, 1, Kaulana, 1, 2, 1, and 2. And then the next, lovingly, the beauty of Kīhei. The first one, the name of the famous. Your name is famous. Your name is famous. The beauty of Kīhei. So the beauty of Kīhei is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Kaulana. 1, 2, famous. 2, the beauty of Kīhei. 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So in the third part, the nani, kanani, hoʻokipa. The lovingly and beautiful hospitality. So we will go into say here again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. And now I'm facing the right. The hands is like this. And then when you step the left foot, 1, 2, 3. Lovingly. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. From the heart, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Ho'okipa. 1, lovingly. From the heart, lovingly. Is what you say, kanani hoʻokipa, kanani hoʻokipa, meke aloha la. Once more. Kanani hoʻokipa, meke aloha la. Once more. Me kanani hoʻokipa aloha la. Okay? So, once more, 5, 6, 7. Me kanani ho'okipa aloha la. Okay. So, in the last part, we will say, in the comfort of Kīhei, aloha la. And 1, 2, 3, aloha la. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 45 degrees. From aloha la, and from aloha la, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Once more. Aloha la, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, ika olu a o Kīhei. From aloha la, ika olu. Olu is comfort. Kīhei. Okay? So we're going to put them all together. Let's start with the front facing body bump. 1, 2, 1, Kaulana. 1, 2, 1, nani. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, aloha. 1, 2, 3, Kīhei. Bump. 1, 2, 1. Once more. Kaulana. Famous inoa. Nani. Beautiful Kīhei. From here, 1, 2, 3, aloha, and comfort, ika olu, Kīhei. Now, let's do this with the music. Hula, Kaulana, bump, Kaulana, fully. Okay. Now we will do it again once more. Do not forget the kaha. And Kaulana, Kaulana, Again, not to forget, when you finish here, and then just pull your hands is here. So just start here, make it beautiful. And then from here, just turn. From here, from the heart. So when you're facing at the back, your hands are like this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But since that you're turning, your body and your hands are changing. One from heart. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one, comfort. Make it small. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't cover your face. Just from here, you will from here, and then cross, right over left, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right over left, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. This is sideways. So in the side, you can see like this, your body is facing right side 45 degrees. Okay? And don't forget to smile. Now, we will dance it together again once more with kahea and the second bump. The first feet, second bump. And always smile. Kaulana. Kaulana. Okay, kalamai, I'm just sorry, sometimes I made a mistake thinking of something, but the fully must be stopped here. Lovingly, hospitality. Lovingly, the loving and beautiful hospitality. Lovingly come from the heart, lovingly, the beautiful hospitality. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is the comfort, olu, and Kīhei, the place. Okay, so now here I reside in the beauty of Kīhei. I was just in Kīhei. Waiakoa is seen. It means that she can see from Kīhei the Waiakoa. So it means that it's really very bright and beautiful and clear sky that you can see the Waiakoa. The Waiakoa is in the other side of the town, or let's say a village. So eia, noho, akuneila. Eia means here, reside, okay? So, akuneila. So, eia. So, the gesture for eia is eia, reside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, the kahea for this second verse is eia. So the second verse is the 45 degree bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, eia. Once more. So the back will be 45 degree, turn 45 degree and front. Okay, once more. The bump will be 1, 2, 3, top, change to front, top. This is also kaholo fully. So once more, 1 and 2, eia. This is the place I reside. 3, 4. Okay, this is the place I reside. Okay, so she's showing you the place where she reside or he reside. Here I reside. Okay. Kanani o Kīhei, the beautiful Kīhei. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Beauty. 1. Okay, so let's do it like this. Kaholo, the beauty. 1, 2, 3. So now we have the different leg movement. So kaholo, and then the right is lele uwehe. She. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more. Nani and beauty. 3, 4. Once more. Nani and 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it bigger. Okay. Once more. Eia. Bump. 1, 2. Eia. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. And, oh, I'm sorry. Kaholo. 1 and 2. Okay. Yeah. So the first is nani is kaholo, and then Kīhei is open. Lele uwehe. And then from here, the Kīhei, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was just in Kīhei. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was just Kīhei, kanani, kekai. Makīhei aku nei no waula. I was just in Kīhei. So the first kaholo is kanani, and lele uwehe. And then from here, Kīhei, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once more. Eia, 1, 2, I reside, noho, down. And 1, 2, 3, lele uwehe. Then from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, lele uwehe. 2, 3. Okay, once more. Eia, eia. 1, 2, 3, kaholo, lele uwehe. From here, kaholo, lele uwehe. Okay? So the next, ʻike ia au Waiakoa. From there, she can see or he can see the Waiakoa. So from the eia, 1, I I reside, and kaholo, and 1, 2, 3, kaholo, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from here he can see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, bump, and 2. Okay, once more. From the last part, here, Kīhei. From here, I was there. And 1, 2, yeah, it's better. From here, the hand movements will be here. And then here, open, and turn again. Once more. From here, kaholo, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Bump, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Eya, 1, and 2. Nani, 1. Kīhei, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From here, 1 and 2. Bump, 1. Eya. And 1 and 2. Beauty, lele'ewehe. Kaholo, reside, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2. From here, hands and hands are together with the same height. But when you turn, put these hands in the shoulder and then turn. Not in the sideways, only 45 degrees, and then turn again. Okay? So once more. From here, eyesight, same height, and then you turn and bump, okay? So let's try it with the music. So let's review the first step, and 1, and 2, kaulana, inoa, nani, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Step bump, bump, and bump, kaulana, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From heart and to aloha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step bump. Eya. 2. And 1. I reside there. The nani. Lele'ewehe. Kaholo, lele'ewehe, ʻIke, and 1, 2, and bump. Eya, and 1, I reside there. 1, 2, 3, nani, and 1, and kaholo, and reside. From here, ʻIke, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, bump, and bump. Okay, so let's try it. Hula, Kaulana, Kaulana. From heart, aloha. Now we will go to Eia. This is the place where I reside. Nani, kaholo, lele uwehe. And kaholo, lele uwehe. 1, 2, bump. Eia, noho, kanani, Kalamai, excuse me. Okay, today this is the music that I'm doing right now, and then teaching to you, to everybody. So while you're learning, while I'm teaching, this is the time that I need to memorize to all the movements and the music at the same time. So if ever I made mistakes, sometimes I know that you will understand it very clearly. So I will dance it, this music, this first and second verse with you again, and together. Let's not forget the kaha. The kaha number 1 is Kaulana, and the second one is Eia. So Hula, Kaulana, from the heart, Kaulana, from the heart, I reside the beauty, lele uwehe, kaholo, ʻIke, Eia, I'm sorry. Okay, let's make it clear again. Eia, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, nani, and this is lele uwehe. Kīhei, and this is lele uwehe. So the makīhei, aku, nei, no waula. Makīhei. So this is kanani, ʻaʻokīhei, makīhei, the place, makīhei, nohela. Okay, waula means she was wau means waiting or just there or something that standing there. And then ʻike, I always forget this ʻike. Ike ia ao Waiakoa. I'm sorry about that. So let's do it again once more. No kaimal. Hula. Kaulana. Nani. From the heart. Kaulana, from the heart, now here comes the Eia. Eia, I reside there. Kanani, Kīhei. Kaholo. Bap. Nānea. Kīhei. ʻIke. Okay, thank you so much. Mahalo nui loa. I hope you enjoy this music and I hope you enjoy this dance. And next week I'm going to do the third and fourth verses. So see you again. Bye.